Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So today I figured we would do a video outside for a change since it's such a beautiful day. I'm doing a packing video on my Ju Be Tokidoki Light in Iconic 2.0. I've done other videos with the Be Light, but the seasons changed. And my kids have grown. So my needs are different for the different weather and for their different ages. I now have a potty trained toddler and an 8-month-old. And so we're getting these beautiful days where things have changed for my packing needs for the day. So sorry, I've been carrying this now since I received it. Release was May 8th, I believe, of 2018. I got it the 10th, and so I've been using it since then. So about 19 days. So I like it. I still prefer my Hobobie, but I like this just as well. Anyway, so I've been using it with a seatbelt strap. I like it better than the straps that it comes with because I can set it to be a little longer, and I can also use it messenger style, a crossbody as well if I need to. Alright, so, and I've mixed it with some different prints on the inside that I think go okay. So we've got the two deep pockets in the front where I carry my keys and some sunscreen and some bug spray because the mosquitoes are crazy. I also live on a farm, so they're even more wild here, so it's like needed. That's it in the front one, and then I carry a small set piece in the Toki Pops print for my wallet needs. So I have a coin purse in here for my cash, and some receipts in here, and some cards and coupons. Then I also have sort of like a Be Charged in here for my cards. I do have a Iconic 2.0 Be Charged. I actually traded it with another pink lady, so we are in the trade process, so once I get that, then I'll be able to use it. So I just throw that in there, finding it really handy. And then I also have some gum wipes, boogie wipes, and some tissue in there as well. Excuse me. And so on the side here, attached, I have the Be Shady. And so I don't wear sunglasses separate from my actual glasses. I have to wear my glasses all the time. I don't have a separate prescription for sunglasses, so I have a clip-on. And I always forget that I have it, and I never bring the little tiny carrying case for it. So this thing is amazing for me to just toss them in, and so that they don't get crushed in my bag. My husband's always giving me trouble about throwing them in the bag and them getting scratched. Alright, so on the inside, so you can see it's pretty packed in there. So I have a water bottle for myself, a bottle for my 8-month-old, and then a cup for my almost 3-year-old, which fits alright in there. I have a medium set piece in Toki Pops, and in here I have a Be Neat in Iconic, the original Iconic, a bottle and a formula pod for on the go, and then I also have a face cloth. I tend to bring a pre-made bottle with us because it seems that she wants it as soon as we are out, and then if we're out long enough and she needs another one, it's there. I also have a hat for the 8-month-old. I have a small set piece in Rainbow Dreams. This one has just some on-the-go needs, so elastics. My almost 3-year-old has very long, thick hair, and she's always breaking elastics or they become too loose on her. Some nail clippers, a USB drive for my photos, some saline drops, toothpicks, a comb. So we need this thing quite often while we're out. Alright, then I have a Be Quick in the original Iconic, and in here I just have change of clothes for both of my kids. Because the weather is still sometimes cool at night, or the mosquitoes are out. So we have long pants, we have shorts, just to change. And like I said, my toddler, or my 8-month-old is teething, so she's always drooly if she's not wearing a bib. And a change of underwear for the toddler in case of accidents. Then I have another quick in here in the Iconic 2.0. I love this print. It is awesome. And we have our diapering needs. So I have a pull-up just in case for the toddler, 4 diapers, a Huggies Clutch and Clean, and then I've got some disposable baggies in the back, and some diaper cream. And then in the back zipper pocket, I've got another small set piece as a med kit, just a mini one until I get a custom done. I also have a small coin purse in Sweet Scarlet where I keep teething necklace for the baby. I just got this at the warehouse sale. It's the Tokidoki Itsy Ritsy teething necklace, and we just got it yesterday, and she loves this. I guess it's because it's got the bigger piece on it. She loves it. It's very soft, flexible. So again, we keep it in the coin purse for her because it's all washable. Then I also have, I think that's it, just some deodorant for myself in there. So I love this bag. I'm hoping to get another Hobo Bee, possibly in the same print, because I love the print so much as well. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, anything, comment below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked my video, and please subscribe.